I would hire someone who's an entrepreneur because generally we're looking for someone who is going to be a self-starter, that is ambitious and isn't looking to be one facet of the business.
Firstly, I think it's about the critical thinking skill set that comes with being entrepreneurial, and the fact that I don't need to micromanage these individuals. So they tend to be passionate, they tend to be self-starters, they tend to have some hustle. Hustle is kind of about figuring out ways, creative ways to get things done.
There's things like ability to work in teams, ability to get out there, get out of the office, take challenges on. And I find that students that have gone through an entrepreneurial program usually have those skills because of the nature of their the coursework that they do.
I think as far as what I've learned from this program is, again, innovation and being able to reiterate your ideas and iterate them again and again and again until they do work really well, and always analyzing what you're doing and seeing if it's the best use of your time.
They really are glass half full people, and even if it's glass quarter full, that's kind of enough for them. They're people that can make something out of almost nothing, and they look for things that are highly scalable because they're quite simple. What's the fastest path to solving this problem?
So everything from self-starting to motivated to keen, persistence, all the attributes you typically find in an entrepreneur is something that obviously any organization can benefit from.